Eros Adesagnon, they say you do birthday. Although now since last year you they invite people up and down, which the birthday was okay. People go, if full well made the truth. Because me na person wey be say, I know because say I yo my mama we am we bono talk boma o me do e beside me o he bo e wa hin I wa ni ne boy e wa e na ya get boy so why the way Katie you want to be I can't dey praise the party emi ama ata every man have a tie the party full people come which it was good but emi power Eros Adesagnon ne ni genera he osaitin Cynthia osaitin Eros Adesagnon agyo mama oh Diki bata you wearing agyo mama oma to boy kami no hinga agyo mama oh edo mama oh ni je degbe mo pa wa ta ma me because me aga dan me wa ni degbe ye mo a Eros Adesagnon osaitin Cynthia osaitin Eros Adesagnon agyo mama oh agyo mama oh my top boy carry nothing I get my mama oh edo I get my mama oh iya we taga gbawe no man na we ise so na gba meje mi no ma erosi ina we taga gbawe una we me ise so ma magita we taga gbawe je mi no ma emi de mi dan agbawe ji Only na MC Papilo, my brother. Hey, in your way, I met it by my year. A Cubava. Amami mi dere. I met it by my year, Cubava, mammy mi dere. All one was so bava. It's not your fault. I know it's not your fault. Because you give her the benefit of doubt. You believe, say, Rose not change person. Rose no fit change. For anybody where they feel say somebody for this life fit change. Nobody fit change. Like me now, I cannot change. You cannot change. We can only adjust. Maybe people, too much people, they complain. You can't adjust. Not be say you go change totally. Now, kade. Ni mwagani ya tutane de yere na miewe. Inwine tawasi ni mwina. Ado yere na miewe maji mwina. Let me sit down. Let me sit down. Okay. Ni awo kade ya awo ogo mo bije wa worry. Monsieur na mi go to. Ai do yewe na re. Ole va wati e. Se koto temege. Okay, I believe it's okay like this. I believe it's good. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Please help me to share because wamanaga video na here work. O wa ke henu wa gai. Mommy Susan, I greet you. Koje no gay. I greet you. Koje. Una no here. Rose do party on Saturday for the Hague. Rose Adesagnon where everybody know for Echo Star. She do party oh. She invites far and near from everywhere. Germany, London, name it all. Denmark people come the show. O salobo a bless you here. No ma be ni Rose here. Salobo a bless you. Wa video now. Why I actually come on this video today, my wonderful people? It is because something like this, Rose do party 2011. 2011, Rose can't do birthday. That birthday was big. Oma veni meje, Empress Kate. Is also a boma. Ime ba ma ore there for so many years in the yare social media na. Ame ore there we geni gitoge or we video. Akweta mi mewe emi nubi ata weta wari fwa because please, if you are not understanding Benin, just let me know. Because this thing now, Benin go taste sweet. I don't know. So if you are not understanding Benin, just put it there that I'm not understanding. I can actually be switching up and on. You guys should stop this. Bring down. Who be this Chronicle Sharon? You see your life. You are just coming in. You never even greet me. You never even greet the house. You just put your own there. Do you look at me? Just take a good look at me. Do you see me as that person that will just on my camera and be talking rubbish about somebody somebody? Do you think so? Maybe you don't know the person you are typing on our live stream. You don't know me. For those that know me so well, they will tell you that they are even angry for me to reply you though. First and foremost, I'm a traditional person. Secondly, I believe in chi. Thirdly, I have never labeled anybody. I love beautiful and sweet life. I have never labeled anybody evil when I did not see one. So allow me to talk. Do the listening and let me talk. Okay? I pardon you, maybe you don't know. I pardon you for that. So my wonderful people, Adesagnon do party, something similar to this big one, 2011. Before that party, we were very, very close. When you say very, very, before I go put very, very, that is to say we were close. All right? And one thing where I go talk for this video, for many of you where you come, they misquote yourself. I go tell you very well that I am happy that somebody like Rose is no longer in my life. I am very, very happy. And you see person where you don't know where you don't follow, do friend where you can't know her in and out, and you can't throw away the person. Now me throw away Rose Adesagnon. Now live video for the talk am. Now more na tag am make she come see am. Now me throw away her. That kind of person where be say you throw away. You say you know what I again, make she they do how they go. He like make she make friends with 100 people. He not go freak you because we live agbirane. Oh, yeah, we are here. You go, they only laugh them, say, wagene now, then he make a lag birane. You understand? In as much as they try to they do pepper there, pepper there. But you, when you they see him, you go, they laugh. Because you can't live agbirane, you they get. So I go just they laugh. But for those who know they understand life, they'll say maybe they pay now, maybe say waiting. Also they not be me. If they okay my ticket, now me they spend for her. Imagine person where you they spend for. He can't come up for your life. So that is that. Before the 2011, we were already friends. She they come my house for Belgium. Sometimes she go spend 1 week. Sometimes she go spend 3 days. All this thing where they talk. So now live video I for the talk cannot be say I carry for the talk inside house now. Now live video. Now something where be say not be fake account I be real account. Now me be this Empress Kate, mother of 4 kids with husband. So with family with background. Yeti do amok ba mek be mek but of live video ni do atale mi ni ma una dey hear me so. She dey come my house, spend 1 week, we just see they enjoy. Not those days now when internet never surplus, that is a social media never surplus like that. You understand? She'll come, me they work, I'll leave her with my with my mom, they'll just the gist they do. If she want come out, food where they freeze out where I cook because based on say she they come now, she already informed me say she they come. Ogbolo soup, black soup, egusi, this one, but I go cook everything everywhere. Go the suburb, we go the gist, they flow. You understand? To the extent self, we go buy bus, load down together, carry go Nigeria. A lot of story day today. I say maybe we not feel come on for yet today. So guys, now Now so me and Rose stay they play, we constantly they do meaty, elegant meaty for Holland that time. We they do the elegant, they go. People where they that meeting then they can testify to all these things. One thing where I want to before I go further. Rosa Adesagnon. Now person where like to they collect from people, but her one kobo, you not go see him. Rosa Adesagnon na woman where like to they collect like egoist. She be egoist. Me. If you reach your tongue, he go tie igeleo, he go wear godo, he go wear many things so put for body take come o. But I want kobo all logo came you. Or let's say na person buy and that is say help me give her. Okay, you know where we are hell. You go hell before you still collect that thing from Rose. Rose na egoist woman. She be self-centered woman. She na only herself. Woman wey be say she fit ask you may you borrow her something. Like borrow me money first. But may you not ask her may she borrow you. She fit borrow money from you. Say borrow me 500 first. I want could do something. It say I needed 200. La why it transfer amen. But you not go una relationship una play not go reach them. May you ask her may she give you money. It could why but tough is say money. Imagine that kind of person I go now I go throw away for my life now. Come they say that's another thing. Rose can't do this party for 2011. We invite people. I even invite many meetings for Belgium. For her, we go. May I first leave the friendship thing first. May I talk about that 2011 party. The reason why the friendship come outside though. After everything, I leave Belgium on Thursday. She want to do party on Saturday. I come up for Belgium on Thursday morning, early in the morning. I go with train because my husband go come for that Saturday. He go use the car, take park, people come, wey be my friends. Una dey get am so. So me need to go with train to Holland. I no want go with car. Then my husband go constantly return back, my ass go constantly return back again. With the same car, they drive again. I don't want that journey. So me, I take train, take go. The plan say on Saturday of the party, you pack everybody, una come. If party finish, me, I follow you, come back. All of us, we plan it like that. On Thursday, early in the morning, I suppose go on Wednesday. But my workload was too much. I can't need to come out on Thursday, early in the morning. Party we want to do for Saturday. They not pay me salary for that day now, for that many days. Oh. No bonus, no marketing, no plus nothing. But I do have for friendship, say we be friends. For inside, Rosa Adesagnon, if I lie for your head, go carry ojuju come out, may you take swear. If all this talk where they talk today, I raise my 2 legs, see my feet for ground. See, now ordinary leg, I take the mash ground, so. Now they say, if I lie for your head, if you where you talk, I can. Mwe bola dian. Iga bawo oge, bonuri amure ogbene. Imana bawo oge, mata no runu eme do tani akweberi yivo. Bonuri atiere kokonu tie bazagba nuri aje waye lala yati ogboe. Okay. So my wonderful people, oh. Now so before the party, I'd already buy her 2020 kilo president rice, 2020 kilo. I buy Rose 4 bag. 4 bag of rice, 2020 kilo, which is 80 kilo. Now she by herself from Holland drive come pick all those things before the party. Rose now one person. She dey like to go pick all her things. She no want may you come tell her story. Before the party, she not care. She go use her car, drive around the whole world. Make sure say she collect that thing where you promise her. Because of it was disappointing. O kalega kadore ya legane re ya legane re ya legane. So she drive from Netherlands to Belgium. She picked the 4 bag of rice. She thanked me very well. Nivea tell me no Ogele appreciate every year. 4 bag of rice, 20 kilo in that money. Then which other thing? Now that one I feel say they tangible. Where I say I really say I can't use car carry people. May I leave those one. Tangible thing for the party. Then I can't still carry myself on Thursday early in the morning. Before 12 o'clock noon, I don't reach the Hague. As I reach the Hague like this, me and I don't the waka everywhere. Now here, now there, now this one, we can't go. She can't go do her nails. She do her nails finish. Now so we they go here, we they pick people where they come, we they put them for where we supposed to put them. I say Thursday. Where I take calm down. This woman no ask me, say, you don't chop. She no ask, you don't eat, or man no. See, in the night, now so with the people, many people come from Denmark, some people come from different places. And I do fine, okay. Friday come, we can't go meet the people where want help and cook the food, the caterer where she give, she can't go do her nails, different things. That Friday activities, Friday now we bell, boom. Then we can't come back as in the night on Friday. Me, Miriam, Sister Miriam, she dey Holland there, and some other ladies, we can't start to the fry buns for that night, for our house. Ona ye vi ma un die because of when ye money ketra. Mayana ya fry buns. From there, emene gagwali do mi abi spaghetti na azege boy. Na yo ame me yo e come cool. I know they use my belly plate. And so we do big that day pass on Saturday. I say people wait they rosas. Eros lele yagme na this Saturday carry party. Oh sinya ya yo wa. Meya ya igare ya. Sister me call. E wa wazin gbela o ni malele we sister me call. E mo iga ha me e rose. Any nare because of you. These people come because of you. Ewo ya nare because of onye do adile yin ewo yin ara be ho yin onaga wi biere maka okay we can't manage, everybody can't migrate, we can't reach her. I even say nene ho ne and we are managed to put smile that dog na o na we are smile that dog na o na gear no era we party for ne aseto if you meet complete rien abo but me ya so ma because me and Rose we like this. Now, cause they talk some kind of thing concerning Rose, I go they laugh. Because there are a lot that would have been said here on live stream. There are a lot, many things. So you, when they watch me today, you not go feel come they describe Rose for me. Now Rose go they try to hide her identity or herself because of social media don't too rampant. Now Rose go they hide. Gone na that 2011. A Facebook in rampant. A Facebook, I mean, no do I go very on the Facebook way. So everybody they open. Abanwa avec Canada d'origine, Yaweni avec Canada d'origine. You know, everybody they do different things for as at that time. So you know if you tell Rose anything about me, you not go fit tell me. Sorry, you not go fit tell me about Rose. Say Kate, you don't know Rose. Now me no a pass. I go look here, I go laugh because when my because again ajena evo yagi mwegbele evo yagi try na ze get you mo go egbe na ze get you know we ma on mo so we even Rose mama we bon Rose me he Rose se jin no bio no mu e ade we bo because na her mama carry her come Europe, although she and her mother get a big clash because I no go talk go that one because my yavi aruwe nenezo try to bring mother and daughter together to settle them out. That one another story for another day. Ije wa ve talore Rose talo mahia settle ezoni and they are still settling it tomorrow. Erosi vije ye settle ezoni yaknya. Inya ye settle ezoni yaknya. Debattion no ho no vere Holland vivani. Inya ye settle ezoni yaknya. That one abina the papa wey born the children for wey no know. That one another case one. In short, any book bebe Rose. Rose Adesagnon. See, Rose Adesagnon. E Cynthia Osaetin, no be Adesagnon. So ya wa fi wa ya gi wa yo dey from inside my house I dey laugh una. I go dey laugh una. Many of una wey be single mother na una life better pass Rose. One obuno wa single mother. Wa maleje gbu wa hia okpiero o maro kpaero wa mo gbu wa hia tege. Edagmo wa mas edagme Rose wa re social media ga. Osanoro uru osa agbewa. Rose, na new friend Rose they make every day by day. Osiogbon. I will say ya no ya me 2011 rock man go ero then. I beg anybody see Florence or Papa Wala for that marriage, for that birthday. Maybe they figure, I don't know. Maybe they don't reconcile, so I don't know. But they go that one side. Una see, man, not going to mention innocent people name. There. The people wey still there with her now, people wey now just she want do events, she call them. I want do something. No, I be one invite now. Now be the people wey she know for 20 years, 10 years ago, and they are still together now. Anybody wey she don dey marrow say that they enter inside each other, go decide their house, do that kind of friend. In and Rose not there again. If you see anybody, maybe you say, Katie, they lie. This person still there. After 20 years, you know, say they're not really there. They just there. Once in a while, hello, I be want to do something, or if you can, now like that. Because they're not they cross each other paths. People like that, they're not feel quarrel, they feel stay for long. But me, I they talk about when it comes to friendship. It also go out say because she be egoist. When it comes to, I will say, I'm a waro. Me was say 20 years, 25 years, what years because of social media. I know if you allow my friend, because me and you don't know for 20 years without the play. You come they give my information to one live video presenter, me take the saga me. Only the saga, and you go call my marriage, the marriage where you come, where you present. Person will be your best friend, wanna be paddy. He go come the saga me for that marriage. That person not even value you. Say, because of say my best friend did the marriage, I go rest. I not go saga anybody for that marriage. The person not even care. He goes, una two go still be. I'll still tell you, say you need to choose. Is it that me or this live video presenter person? You go tell her to my face, say you choose this live video presenter. You not care about our 20 years friendship. Obj, I not let you go. Oja Agba man no understand though. I know so many of una go say, Kate, what about your 20 years friendship? Una not correct. Oja Agba to man understand. Mabe we no ze kubi magbe penti. Ana do si legbe la webo. To the essence of here lead to say my brother want marry you. This my brother want marry you, so you can't go they give your own mama information to one live video presenter, not do agbi every day by day. You still expect me that family still marry you. Who was this you? Ya agbe no understand. Who you expect in a family Nigeria you wear? We wara o wa not here we best friends. Ona wa here bonija wa where to be. Ona asaga your sister-in-law to be. We ye fi wa ye marry where? Who was wa? Do bomye walk ba o no ki keve di your word. I marry my walk back, so that one can be that one for those who go say, and they talk say those not the differentiate. Right by you, working and we not move. Working I marry your whole lawa or information region do or tion do or muge live video presenter me ja boy every day by day. I wa mu go yo huri la wa nebo. Eto do zago waya jo ma bo. Iwa no say ya si like din. Iwa no se si digien. Ina ko we oje ariona. Information ya na tawu wa. Aya unu live video presenter. Iriere tan. So that one can be aside. Okadoka de no ikatam wasin waya mo popcorn. That one aside only marry the banner the deuna. So my wonderful people, now so we do that party on that day when the party can finish. Around 3-4, the party do they finish, everybody do they go. Area MC Papilona, a matter me ya dereo. We made me say waiting. I say yeah, kibava o. Amani mi deriwa. Agaive mie. Aderi ogino. Oh, imagine I sing one here. Agele swear here. Now, so this MC Papilo matter consti rise up. Rigo me inego, roasting gin die. Roasting gin. She no want me they touch the money. She no want. E cannot want to tie in under the table. They go use cloth cover the table where they sit down. Under emi yegaro to teba. E souvenir na ya gao onon area ya we party madam we mu nema we ya viare wa o yan kun pa o yan to bi yen we how you we be celebrant and na so she dey try for that one o she dey go reach grand imagine as a woman imagine no what we party we ma so to I pray o I pray Meros and Orange Grand I we so tall ya say big can nothing better. Many of now come say the party was very big and I not reach grand. It was so tall. Eke mi dame, you koki. Ona mwe magbon yahu. Wali pok begbeji nagbon. Nehiari we ria lebo sabi meveni ya swe. Eke mi dame ona you koki. Ero si him. Emi daria. If not stinginess, greediness. Wait till day €100 where you want give MC Papilo. Now so she still doing that year. And now vaccination me take come for the party. Now potato chips I they eat for here. Now potato chips they are correct. Correct my personal person. Wakaka body your head. Now so this rose this matter 2011 and now they one woman can say he get this woman join na bulele na Denmark be like say she did. Sorry madam if I call your name. Oni na do amo. We be na a meeting on Viore from Denmark a boss ya yari. A woman ama o marry guardian ma respecting ya marry ona so atie bonia ya. Ona so atie bonia ya. Na so they do. Wetin come make me vex that 2011 why I come on. A woman ana was one gbe. One guy, whether na help mao, a old land vivage or black or you take video. A rosi na was one you big boy now we party or rien. A minita na or worry no when it rosi more bola down we yegale loma minaye. That is not be say fight and do arako or wa la bijoniao. Not be say they can't they fight in na bomb be the day party 2011 or a worry no we no more boy. We not here. If you want oh, yeah, why you go carry man, they disrespect her like this. They slap her, they beat her. Rose gets aggression problem. She need to go aggression school. Rose gets, she not get, what in I want to call her. She not get manner. You can't blame me yo because if you not time my way, in your dear vision, bad Italy again. Inyaye gie yon modian wo bera yon modian wo bije yon iga leve ewe mi ya yon iga leve yon iga we mi ya tin era na do maro ho ne rari na small that one go te sini ha almost the same that time o be gbe bonya ni o wo kin ra vege ni o be gbe bonya no ni always metin ya hin abi uno ya den o be gbe bonya wo kin ra vege ni. As me and Rose can't do rich, when no he will sase will bome. Ona we ni do de baye lala. Now me and one girl should be one put. Wait till they call that girl. They don't deport that girl now. He a deport a girl ni ari Nigeria never gani. Oh, they will know which ni e. By the way, now me and that one she say mo can't join because of what the aloni oni mane be. Owa aluoni or dabononi and I do deport on in Nigeria. That get black where she huge. And I do deport again in Nigeria. Erosa am we get it on Morusa Igo we go aje. Ena wila 30 ala beru we mi anala because the papa na one of the front line according to her that time. Most of the time we buluku no bajo yoko wana mo bo wa very trust of no we and mind you, my wonderful people where they watch me. If you they follow person do friendship. If you they follow any person do friendship, una be women una they do friend. That person, they come your house, they can't chop, they can't eat, they can't sleep, they can't do everything for your house. And anytime where you say you, they try to say where they then where you know, oh you will not bypass, learn no money, run from that person. Because you don't feel comfortable, they relax. You go spend 3 days, 4 days for my house. But my mom whether you only Emma wa learn no money. Or waro, some guests not they use their brain. You they follow person, they do friendship. Even if say not do party, I want me a weekend they so or say me we next weekend, next month why think we have do tournament, we have any stage, we have aden we have one area ya me say. Oh why we friendship here for so long. Well la why where you we ni ya bet. Yeah, when we are jogging, sorry, if they call you all, they call you all, they call you all. When man cannot say you marry a man nothing. Run for that person, eh? Yeah, the reason why not wrong. Is it that way in your family varon in your own no to discover? They go prefer me they come where worry in your weekend in our doctor. E worry by weekend in our doctor. E what learning in my video because it's supposed to be vice versa. Okay, no guys vice versa. You worry your home. I can't be there. Man, let me just okay party now. Let me book better me. Say only all like you on me live video man we do we way. So that day, now so he beat the man. Everybody come the para. Why now? He almost called police for that guy that day. Now all of us come the calm down. Come the calm down. They know they do like that. I will erioni. Erioya aro we da dore. Kenike fara ni erioya aro we ya. That one can't be that one. Roast na that one should be. Erosi ime mana. At all. And number 2, erosi. Akausa de minosiezon ya vavo se no lele akausa dan veni meyere manana for so many years erosi yeme me 1,000 euro 1,000 euro wa no me we bi agwede wo hie me vi agwede oni me kan wa lesi wa onu wa mi eni gori me that one can be that one. Before I go fast forward concerning that party o what season you know what kakabo season no kwa Eros, iga bawe de nomuna. Ayela la nuje de basalo bani mega veni cow. Inya ido ne marewe. Ina zebawe. My people, for that 2011 party where Rose do, I be say I'll go snap many picture come out. For that 2011, may I see whether I snap the picture come out. Yori ya whoever nothing. Be my gallery. Yori na when is a girl because I don't give Imamie. Now this one I feel snap at. Now all of us with this. When I remember no why you boring on so why be for people who know me don't know me for that one. Now na the 2011 party where the other one. I be viewing no why I say. Mami o boy am with picture mon very na me and her be this. This one are me and her. Now she sit down with this spray for her. So, you know, now me stand. So, you know, it's a lie for that party. After I come back house, I come dey sick. Amen. So I beg me, are you here? Must see. I'll say never ma. The bead where she used, mona the listing no. The bead, if viene rossi low. With that birthday party for 2011, all the bead was from me. Rosa Adesagnon iga bawe. Ina bawe orive de nomuna. All the bead where she used, was from me. I pack na bag of bead, na luggage I take draw those bead for her. More than 20 something bead. Ni kungerosi we. Use them, you know. But do you know what? This woman can't cut all of them. Ona do gia. When she called the returner, I can't say, I count the bid what I give you. It was about 23, a bit 24, different type. When I do gia ya was zoe. Iye igagia, na degbe do se because a style no raje, a style ni need. He wants maybe step, another degbe. Dina emi nu manya, do ma take permission. Or woke ni wa say for my parlor. Me just the swan now, in go swan. Now say no. My bid not complete, I can't divest. With that vaccination, she was no longer comfortable for my house. She can't come out. Then when she can't call me after 1 week, say, Yemie so wo, Yemie den yaro wa yen wa your day. And now anytime no ya day free, iro wa any weekend. When she can't they come that fair today, she can't come with one woman pastor. The woman says she be pastor. That una say as I dey talk since I dey measure people inside. May not be like say this one are fault. At least those people, there go be weakness to these things. That woman saying a pastor for Holland. Owe pastor yehi ona lele rose ona lele adio wane iyana do agbi go la wo at least we rundame a woman of God for that matter la ho owe tin ye giagie hi akugbe yin na ya say na bet emma emine oroma at least u keve giagivie ni yakugbe do fun ekugbe u kave tamanene wo agiagia I go no. And we wa gaga kugbe na make ye tingi ye to gba nu we viore to ye gba the 20 pieces or ye gba the 23 or ye gba make ye tingi understand then na because or what I say you gonna understand. When you say any me don't you know when you give person 1 2 I take all of them picture say now the picture be this me I tell you if she dey return her. Egi go me the thing can really make me para the woman pastor come dey beg now say she not tell me say she dey come with woman pastor. She not tell me say she dey come with anybody. Or why you surprising and at least oma and mave egbene ni anila because of the way that woman pastor take talk. Take do I say no wahala I don't. Me not gonna your book can see I know. I beg it don't do no problem. I cook that day all of us can't eat. They can't come out from there. I can't start to the deviate. Or I call him any man. I take one go ya wari sing winner. I was out here and we was gist all through when I they were all the gist. I not can they give that space again because there's now say me at they be. How they give distance. Oh, you are pick hello and they busy. You have to we back you know I just so I can't they give mine. She can't they notice her as well. The call not can't they flow everything so like that. I just let her be. But I can't tell her say money where you they owe me, you must pay me oh that 1,000. He say ya why later ya why maybe you have a pay and then you have a forgiving na ya wa pay to date it tomorrow. Erosi ma pay your maha. Erosi maha erio wa cow salele ya here. Now money where they spray people for meeting. If they spray people for meeting, maybe person do birthday, person do marriage. All of us go meeting, we will spray and we will gather the money, we will give our chauffeur carry go us. Then no riri rien, unu no ri kerevo, ori doari no ma no we party. Oni na ve siezo ni vie miti na dozara. Miti na dozara. Aritie we arena do give accountability. Every monthly due, you go na a monthly due. Well, giadota or when no maro ba na yota ebode ebo magelere o beto salobwa no only a punishment no you receive it tomorrow. Only a punishment no you receive because you not go fit eat community money. May you believe say you go day free. May you believe say you go day free. Fine, people go must come your party because you they attend people. Bini people who me ni unu ekwemiti ya do. Ujore ma kakabo, ema mostorio well, when ema well, even if una spoil her name, not be a party full. So why you not go full when she they go people party? When they rosi yaje party, when no remember we are party very oni. Ugeli amwe beveri ogeli aha very oni je party very oni. We to bugwe we have a party table wa be mame, ebo wa be gba forget am. Wa awe marriage in Nigeria birthday una invite rosa ahian tojo. You not go mess in Nigeria also because now you not go compare yourself with people where they work. Now she's placed on handicap level. She's placed on handicap level due to a medical issue. Now let me they tell us that there are many things that is not supposed to be said on live stream. Many things. Or my cannot do have a live video, but I was saying here because on your matter now. She's under medication. She know. So my people, area party ni ya ifo erosi na gbe no reko na gbe no kekode ana do mi go na be wo be ye na another big wahala consistent the same thing awu we erosi awu we e ma ya ni jie party we they deserve some accolades if yere ya hiye normal zero at all they go spend reach 200 to 250 euro I should be 120 people they say maybe your mommy go say are you crazy when my bed will not already let me say plus minus 400 people was there inside that 400 people let's say now 250 people now I should be as we take see that video so 120 euros times 250 people ye funny we calculate 120 euro for the ashwebi use times 250 people no thousands of euros no ladin aba then udo calculate 20 euro cap ogeru ni biade 5 men now it go be 100 euro for 20 euro times maybe 100 men because see that very day toye vi ahie kapi wo nuru oye vi ahie kapi bia wo nuru oye be mudia yo nuru ohie di cap and anyone already carry erosi go gbe ogwa le meeting no hia wa anniversary the meeting no we mi ozege munia we wagun ehie ni bia wa hie na be she ma she eni area ekeke ohie abu mo ya ni malo kere the meeting to hie ni meeting of it abu ki ofun ya ni malo kere the meeting no ga roto ohie ene ma be no ma ge hie ona double e ya we rapa ashoki rapa o ivie e ta e hakugbe o ete lo ise no do tan o ga ruwan eri o ya we ba seni 30,000 you see 30,000 euro ya be ma ya ni je school no gwa calculate 120 euro times 200 oh yeah 30,000 euro la diana 30,000 euro nebo dadamu naru pa ya pay madam yena ka wa mi e bo ga shwebi ni wa ima gbove o but for I just dey talk am for people wey dey feel say o mami go wakwe luerere wakwe gwakwe plus and minus maybe o mami go we nene party or si enegbe na wakan o mami go si e o ja me we no ma plus enu wa no ma times enu wa be 30,000 euro minus the make cap mama e cap 20 euro ni e cap ni bialo mama e ereru wa kwe gbaji o se eniyan na mu wa no bun o se eniyan na mu wa u only ashwebi o ma gbe 30,000 lawa and rose o ma ya ashwebi o ya ku o ma ya ku to mu e serious pay and carry ga no amami anu okpa no mu ashwebi ni o we I'll pay you tomorrow wa hu will be rosia enegbo ewo no ayawe imu imaye pay I'll pay tomorrow enegbo ewo bene rosi gidegi eke seta mu wana because wano buno waga e ganya the social media igu waya agiwa wani bu edagmu wa o masoreros edagmu wa ti tomorrow ti next tomorrow emi nije ye gbe eba ni hiwe do manu bi o me vanana ti today ti tomorrow emi nije ye gbe eba ye no these two black children will be able to webo ebo e hands do manu bi o ena eyinya vije ye guyi ti tomorrow no na huje ye ware vije do 12 Holland ije kitali do 12 Holland ona hwe that one can be aside if na another person pikin carry belle the way Rose pikin take carry belle bonda pikiso e hoy va ene the social media na e hoy ene because we worry ye one ave fake oibo pala dian wo yin e bi na wana mo rest on that issue only mark time for now e hoene e marriage no eri ehun arere wo iyan mana mare yan omodin o na him be first daughter o you need to do canopy for a papa aside o e canopy you know oya that the nene viyan ti ma na no move e jemi nene ma be me bobo wa ina won neros ina erosi emi no auna o ma before my because the date long Ora je jemi e hotel stage ya me why je jemi e ya to bia lodge where you te o wo me bowa o se bo anye we me bewo yo land na so ya di mate marry but upon us say they still marry inya be mani ma stage under one roof one day ero si ji aro we ans god that for enable o ji aro we ans the Ipenburg ero si ji aro we bo Ipenburg wo ya marry. They lie, not lie, man. Or when you marry just in Nigeria, which is a Jennifer Tinsa. Again, a Jennifer Tinsa not married in Nigeria. On that time, able we marry just in here. No, we Jennifer work for a week, now the following weekend, and I working. All the people where you call the able say your wife has married in Nigeria, say na lie, na friend marry. Eri boni ga tabet. Inyawe boni yero yangirona. I don't care to know because of marriage. Or make no say I block everything concerning her. He block everything concerning her. Emi nema be ga wu aga go wa de erosi ga we e wo ya praise e on top of am. Egbrigbiri yari da kinyona yari na je na we marriage or me. That devil ya na waste ticket ya na yari marriage no mama hu. All because he when your modern you only egbe kalopi you bury yen o never ya yen eri yen are your dori abi de mi not have na iton api body wetin talk concerning that one again nothing again iton api na marry otin ege Jeff again iton api na marry Jeff again na that more rest a lot of things is more rest but Rosa Adesagnon is nobody. That is just the reason why I on my live stream. Rosa Adesagnon is not somebody you people think she are or she is. I imagine was a bonnier. Imagine wayaze boni wa higen wa fi we wani bun a life wa maso ge Rosa Adesagnon wani wa bun wani bun a life wa maso ge eri he go now you know whether na go or not be real but a lot of for inside me yellow shawa bun sevo nyon ta mame e weta zo egwagwa o boy na wo o weta zo egwagwa kiti azo egwagwa o boy e na wedoni aya azo egwagwa o boy na wedoni Rosa Adesagnon ma gun e o ma gun owo sale ran liri igo si ezo ni yave ma igo o si ezo ni yave ma onagare omenyego unyimo ba gene egwe awe nwa karata egwe erosi monyimo mona wa muria ana wa seto dan muria no venu nyime ma ya gbane eri o ya ri ya loa ohun enoga oga love other fun we tori ki are fi he erosi ga ba we do tana iga tore yo egbe do tai abi mo go far mo go deep no go to okay when ni wa ya jere mama na okay feme when ni ya jere sala ke tu we ni aba o feme yo boss ligo o si lo dia wa re wa gbo ya fi there is illegal. I've been at way. I have to see people where you they say Echo Star. I have to look I have to laugh because that's why they be. If you don't follow person, do friend finish. You know that person. You know in another person called they do mama say. We are here with Adamwe. You got to laugh because you over know that person. We are here. Erioje megme so ya wa yen iwa here. Abi mo talk about tailor wey dey so cloth for Nigeria. Only you what him a doctor erosi we. Ima we ri enu eni o. Me ma tamu we gbe we yon gbe. Ima we yen we kave soni ne we soni ne oni ga isomo bone They are doing na ya calculate. I don't plus or minus of boy sister. Etela plus or minus of boy sister. Can be sunny now, I'm sunny there. I don't wait plus or minus. And in the end, when you wake, be I take up a coming song. When you wake, be we may know. Plus or minus of boy. I do money, I have a over me. When we have a tell on my good in Nigeria. I guess no one should be never marriage. A boy, I got move back. All those girls we do should be for a way go do marriage in Nigeria. All promising ya go. No how we am one dear we bow. All time so we no worry after my marriage. We are we bow. We like one more thing. The criminal way are going. One more say we are we bow. And worry after my marriage. You don't mean me one. Don't mean. Yeah, Mama me Rosie. And boy, I got move back. That's rose for you. That is rose for you. Unu ya lode. Unu de bave omose otan osoho. Avec beni ya mamati. All ya lode. But you way they look on. Wani wa happy. A life wa masore. Because at the end of the day, wa mamo sale ranliri. Wa mamo save no buwa gberu wa e abimele ne doya bitani e. Wa mamo sale ranliri. Is there any bow here? Can anybody may any go there with Ketty me go with ya? Me go boy. What do you want to tell me about her? Eria mo sale lea here, eria wa sale le rosi here. Otherwise, they may not hear €100. No area Nancy Papilo, me no carries to know that time. Honor the baby repeated again. When a lot of people spray you on that party. You get a lot of money. Why can't you just count $100 or $120 out of that money and say, Oje, la wo we pa, egui, euro wa go me very I think euro akai wa maleji $100 na la ho ka dona jine la ho. Ubi aimia tie la on top of that one. Why aimia tie la ho on top of that one. But una we no we were tie police in MC Papilo. If una want my players si papile audio, mo na talk if una no want to nu me na pa me awa eti ya gwan. Emi bun. Emi wa bun mi wa ta edema gbima je ma bi kinegbero si atoti kolo e mo yin. Ara atoti kolo ta me mi de. Eni rosi hin. Iga gbima mi no ji me de hin rosi vo ya me o en. Omo jamo sono. Ami ore ya ko han. Mo paga oh no. Okay, I never listen to MC Papilo. Okay, my player. MC Papilo cry come out. It was not a new thing. It's not a new thing. It has happened before. It happens 2011. Now you see the repeats now. Ogbiyan ya bae. Ori berere will complain. I don't want any Hollandis. Nene. A junior Hollandis, he can't carry and come yesterday. He can't carry and come yesterday. Can't begin showing. This one should be we are what they say and give people. Imagine only that one she don't fuck up. She can't do live video. They carry the junior Hollandis come out. This one at the Ashebio. I want party where you do on Saturday. You not share inside the party. Now inside live video. Ankara of €12. Junior Hollandis. Ankara, niya here €12. In short, if you buy many, na €10. If you buy many bunk, as from 50, na €10. So, if I not go web there, I should be €120. And yet €10 we are tell you a souvenir niya when rosi. Itamu wa bada wa masa dagme rosi wa majameji. On I not go web that should be a tab more. €120 on have a ray with a fuel. On have the fuel, you will moto. On have drive the race, stress in it, you have a finue at all. And yet €10 we are tell you with souvenir near Udiji to chauffira. Iwe na only saya ge wa sa Adesagnon. We can we Costa Abi biele ka no ma eso pa favor. Inya gawe party. E anyo na ya anyo mo. 20 euro, 25 euro enya delenia yaga. E rice cooker enya yaga. E rice cooker anyo uva na ya uva. E poti no kokon. Enya yawe souvenir emi no kokon we na wo Adesagnon. E mama ti ve nebo yawa ewe yi. U me 10 euro abi 12 euro. E junior learn this me de ine mi nijawu. I de me mi nijawu because I ne mase. I mo o mase no fivu. I ne mase 10 euro we ate ya ga be pu dishi. Ekwe mu we rosi. Ekwe mu we. Nu rie 20 euro no denye. Uwe 100 euro ni. Nu ya we souvenir aniviere. Wokeru deda. Emini aden wa. Oja me 20 euro ban money we eta na 120. Ori mo bagay. Ankara Junior Hollandis of 10 euro. 12 euro. Agani. Aya na ahun 15 euro. Na is 10 euro. Oh, we are tell you with souvenir na we mama we the fee afford real gold. Ami ya no gare patu we be there egbe okin ya. Wo gbagbe ma ho. Andinya be ge we ekowe vun we because o ma ne ko vun e ti go ma be wo an egbe. Na so like bi. O ma ne ko gele vun e bere go an egbo ma be oni a oni ma ya le luwe kian. Eri iwe ya alele wevere ni. Comme na ore ko vunwe wu ka bodo lawo wa nene. Ike don ere e o amegbo. Imagine va ero pagbe wo kan bet. No, wa kian pa you dey know na ya se gba me. That 6 water. 6 ni ve no ya ke supermarket re. Avio o vunwi moto we. Mo igo me ya asayo e ya make the shopping. Ima ya gbe wo kan bet wa we fi weti ya gbe wo kan just na my sweat na my money. We are we normal. We so mi wa no we normal. Who praise on me? Who hit mo be 120. Mighty gwale tangible souvenir adenu yaga. Ankara, anen Ankara. Umaveja ega na ya nyenya ve dede. Avi huoba no dien we bi fua. Ave mama. Inya na ogoma gbonhin. Inya na ruan heku. Inya na adiku. Inya ogoma gbonhin. Inya ma yi mana no ka me we ne. Hey. When the matter just happen, when see papilo they cry. Now my daughter just call me say, "Mama, you true talk how? You talk and say this Rose not be better person arriva." Umeti deniak mo ya we souvenir. He get one girl we do party that day. Now what did she do? 50 years birthday. 50 years birthday. We are having again yara. Myself, I dey look at my head, they heavy me. Uva na ya uva was e carton waje carton ora amunema. I was like me to be me not a wow because any that uva must reach 30 euro. If it too cheap. If it too cheap, it must be 30 euro or 40 euro. If it too cheap. No yagani more than 30 people. More than 30 people again yagana. I was like, whoa. E magele guaga souvenir. Ona ya da karate te euro. And the worst of all no ya mumese. O when ya jaju vien ni ya file ni ya rai. E miamo janiamo sono. Inyo wiere. Mene hi agin ya ruwa ya botobo wa. Mene hi agin ya ruwa. Ya we mi rokba. Inyo wiere. Nabi huo ba jaju vien. Noa file junior la akara ore 10 euro noa file ni agarai iya wo ho pa na iwe mi amo ja mi na mi ma mi God forbid oni na imo pa we ba yawu no ke no roge our colleague o we to be bun according to a video ni screen recording me ya ga record nya na send yo mi WhatsApp o we to be bun we colleague ni ya asin mi mo we na gi opa si yan bo o wa ma yeri eni o da fun yin na we wa gi ari o wa wo ija we do wa wu ma onu guy okay na that 10 euro Ankara na you want come dey send na go give the why ya guy because we labian do have know the way you want share am now who can guy now emi nu we dey 10 euro Uwe here do ye 13 or 15 euro ya where they post ginya I understand. I understand even why ya Uwe here do jigo ya post give area because a lot of people come far and near. A lot of people from Belgium, from Denmark, from UK. So where ya ga any ya when ya post a post office ya igwe no you medin. Adesagnon Cynthia outside. Why ya we ne huemu na gboria gina. Social media do me well. Wa zo seve na se ni lele we si fun eva. Orogbon hin beze. Wa so we mo gala lo bola lo we. Wa jo we mo gala lo bola lo we. Enario wa we ni adoe. Ube baye mistake invite we wa dio wa me wa do error u ba u try u risk o mi obe. Wa be mi obe mi na wa yoro jere ya ta. Itena we te wo ya gbawe. And the man book we man bu ewe. Iya gbawe. No ma eve gbawe na. New set of people eve gbawe na. New set of people or give gbawe na. Ete man no bu ma e ka ewe o. A lot of people for that Den Haag, Rotterdam, all of them, even your city, Ippenburg, all of them know you. Say any Ippenburg you might see your way hassle. Or say na o ya me we ya mo boro nuti. Emi ni mai negegbe me ma tu euro we ans to we boye yo uro we boy mai but who that marry ure o we boje aje. That one was confirmed cause he motieva my play MC Papilo we can't take crack comments no jo umu me no son of me ni na wa who does that? Not again, not in my time. Ami mi na mi o mami not again. And you go na MC Papilo we konji 2011. I call the shame. Now she do party, now she go they beat people for inside the party. What we could wall it. Ateve we kwa le zese we salo ba gigbina David kume o baba la o ne o yaya reginya. Wo hiave to bo we gbina. Where they me not be juju be that. Not be juju be that. Not be saying that people where you invite they fight. Now you where you do something, you still fight. And you still want call police for the people where you invite. Ebolo we utera awe bono bumbet. They na gbare ni ayege yeje gbo. Yeah, plan.
Princess Adesagnon party. So when that woman contact me, she called me. She said carry me to party 2011. Just to be happy to see that 2011. I will tell them that this is the way to make it happen again. So from agree on that, she going to ask me, say, I wish I would have done that. How the party will one go. So she just sent advance to me, so come here, don't get you for her hand. So, the good thing, before I become, I come over to tell us, okay, give me the balance. When the balance of the you do that, she can say, if I reach party, she will give me. But you don't ask for that balance, because just not living, I called you for her. After the party, the name of the you should not give me the balance. I draw that balance, draw, she don't give me the rest, only the balance. That was 2011. Or 2010, yes, 2011, she don't give me balance. A lot of people, my friends, all of them know that time. All my friends will be together, and all of them know. As well, even my sister, Jay, almost all of them know that time. She don't give me. The first thing I don't leave her, I forget. I can't leave her. So I don't take anything to tell her, she doesn't give me my balance. Don't say we post this party. We post this party.
It's not clear. I thought as much. May I bring my speaker? You what time I was here clear? On my no screen record there go. On my way see. You what time? Oh. If you go my way see oh. What time I will buy now my way so my way see. We mama. Even young, I know. Cause they know say I know they watch them like that again. It may bomb me anything not kind because here they tell me. If by they know all bien. Deja. I wawe. All bien not why go to boys and they again. Are we connected? They never try.
Princess Adesagnon party. So when that woman contact me, she called me. The this thing will happen to still after 2011. I will tell you the reason why it make happen again. So we can't agree on that. She can't ask me to say, I wish I go that's how the party will go. So she first sent advance for me, so we never get Europe for her hand. So, in week 2, before I become, I can't like to tell us, okay, give me the balance. When the balance of the Europe, she can say, if I reach party, she will give me. What did you ask for that balance? Because 2011, I can't do MC for her. After the party, the name of the Europe, she not give me the balance. I draw that balance, draw, she not give me a rest, don't give the balance. That was 2011 or 2010. Yes, 2011, she don't give me balance. A lot of people, my friends, all of them know that time. All my friends all get together, all of them know. As well, even my sister will check. Almost all of them know that time. She don't give me. The first thing I don't leave her, I forget. I don't leave her. So now I'm taking me to the she just give me my balance. Don't say we cost this party. Because the party will finish, she don't cost give me balance. So I thought I finished, she give me balance. She don't say no. She don't go, if I this party, she will go. I say, I tell you, I don't want to put you that time, see you know. She say, yeah, you know, better never the day, I know, you don't pass, you will carry. But that time, I don't pass now. He will give me, if party finish, she will give me balance. I say, okay. I said, I can't already come back at 2 o'clock. I don't reach that party that day. 2 o'clock.
For afternoon.
So, me and the stainless queen, I'm not stainless queen, I'm baddest queen. Now, me and she, no, that girl, you know where I'm allowed when I didn't go. I see that girl from distance, but that day, now I say, stainless queen is an amazing person. If you go close to stainless queen, she's an amazing person. Now, me and she, now did that party that day. Now I make sure say everybody when did that party sit that way. You know the party like that, I reach 2 o'clock, everybody come with me. If stainless queen confused, you come with me, this will wait for so we are do there. I say carry the book there. Carry this book here. Carry all these chiefs put here. Now we are she organized. So make sure say everybody when they invite, sit down comfortably. We are telling she's my witness. She was still see this video. Stainless that day, she her enemy one man. Party never for the past 10 years. I never no party don't stress me like that party for the past 10 years. Even at the party, the way I equip the chat said, as I put the party tight reach. At the party and the party will be saying for the past like 7 years, I never go that kind of party. Party where that is men come on, people everywhere.
Okay. Abemona no verse, my people. As he mentioned this Ajebo party, so now me can reflect back now. Remember something. Ajebo will be say he be presenter. Now live video presenter. And many presenters were there. Many presenters were there. After the party, we not hear any saga, we not hear any fight, we not hear anything. Everybody life just move on. This one a presenter where be say he do party. Where be say after some days, after do better mind anything because everybody was so peace and relaxed with it. In your organ, I may wear Adesagnon ne presenter ne nothing. Oh my come on see. One girl want talk. He say for the this thing where they say come give me. He say na she want use a trend. Which trend? Why want mama to pay €100? Salo boy go meti ti ore dan. And o mama ti pay €100 na be trend. Like say MC Papilo now. If na normal person come out now, does say me enters. Enters. Una go person party una come they want downgrade the person. Una want bring am down. But God was so kind. Uni me ore ni na ya ti e born anyway to gari e ma webu. O unwe nya ga wi alele ya. Ona dori e ma true Papilo so that agbon igele believe we emi na is true. I want Mariola than to go about it say I go come talk. I don't know because people know who actually believe. If you agbon iriyaje. Iye we o jealous. O na and o na jealous no na. E dagbon me. The last time I checked on Master Horace, it is in Nigeria. Kwangu narrative for say they were sending. When all of us did maybe by night go don't get chat. May I not too over talking. As at that time, no ya denya be mana drag na je kotona we and give up. As at that time, but recent I not go fit talk in my near because I like to be very straightforward and honest. I'm not like all these presenters will go come, hey, or come begin, hey, I know where, I know. Anything can happen, things can change. Under 1 year, things fit change. Under 2 years, things fit change. You understand? So, may I not talk that one. But okay, we bo hero, any personal we bo hero. That one not be say things we change. Tomorrow people where they close to her, where they give some information, where be say I not even want again. Hero. So they mean me na do I jealous. Where be say you may be do, you may be co, you may be webo. Eh? They're not here, Ajebo. Upon us say Ajebo na presenter, they're not here. You don't go peacefully. Money they fly for everywhere. Maya, Amaho, better here. A greediness he must to bury la Diana.
It's already unorganized.
Oh, what's the happen now? And one thing about Rose again. We are go still talking. Rose na one person, He go they follow me play. They listen, oh. Me and a friend with they play. He go come know another of my friends. Say this my friend with they play where and a good friends with be and all of that. Immediately, me and another quarrel. He go they find all way by way. He go they look for that person Facebook. You can send a request. Come they chat with her. Or to make a friendship true. Your gualava say here. He go one use and pepper you. He go una not the play girl. You go make friends with that person where fed they close to you. What do you go do? Person like me, I not go tell that my friend say, oh, you like me, I go give distance. I'll leave una too. I not go tell you say, I go just leave una too. It is a time. Now so I tell the people. Real typical Benin woman where you no want problem for your life. Eri my operate. Or let's say I'm a beer or I'm a cocoa. Now you go say I not care, not me. Real typical Benin woman a cocoa. Or a way or seme or le lomani mavo eriku. Ewe where le lek nya le. Yon rien to boy a distance in nuwa. Warrior notice okay. We are double color na time on our way. Busy. Na so I tell do. And I saw Rose day. Na Rose character be that. He go want they follow the person go na not they play. He go want they follow and go they play. Can you imagine the time where they saga Papa Eru Wala that time with Florence? Papa Wala what? Where they saga all the people where they saga this man and his wife. Erosi na ya agwe ya wose underground. Ona ya agwe ya wose na to make a friend. What are you saying? Oh, down with him video. And we're tiene na emuwe. You call them your personal. But ya love you underground. Ya only make friends. Down my video. Our Lenia, they are snakes. Also, Agmama na merosi now. But she's pretending and imposing way. Agmawa na de okay. Lie. When not your don, ya marry in Nigeria with their ladian. It's so worried, guys. Na lie. Oni re harok barok bao. Inya set biane. Oni re ha because erosi mo nyime. Ene. Oni re harok barok ba. Some people come they feel say na that black man I ain't born the children for. Na lao. Egbo Rose don't born finish before you know say no be oyibo get pikin. Or bien e hospital ke bere da kiyen bien. Efi we maybe we you know the man you know Africa come. Yen to boy man Egbo or my those two children now aunts named that now Igbo man named that they be. Those two children, those daki where she carried that two children. E near bonya bie, enya hwenye. O me we are not be more vanina. Whatever no wafi we rosi. Wa masa rose because wani bun up ya no wa bie na. Wani bun ero wi wa. Wa venerosi vie we. You know the pain to say you not fit point one ma say this one na papa. E boy the aserinya. O we gbe so eze da fun ya e we. Nene da kiache when I marry na ya hota. Am I here to stay you way? It's not possible. You go marry for Nigeria, you come back, the man they Germany, you dey Holland. If you go Holland now, if the man come Holland now hotel, if you go Germany now hotel. Because the man get to Igbo for us. I'm telling you, many single mothers who now life better pass road. I go lie for una again. People wey know me for many years say This ODL Empress Kate, Oma no Tori, every Oma no Balama, every Oma no Gualeme, every Oma no Duaru Digo, or Daweni, Mama, Iguamo, Magboto, Osaloba, me bege, Iguamo, Magboto, because Igua on a boy, Ebo Wale Lemere, oh, where, a money bonjour, who Tore, oh, where may I Tore, Adesagnon. Oh, where Veveya Tore, Maju Tore. Ije me wata de degbe. Or wata. So mona not they look me say, okay, maybe the bead where she they wear for her leg. Maybe na just she buy am for market or say oh like fine, I miss her, but no reva. Or lo kun reva. Onwe so iye mi nebo wae so ha gume try do abama oge I can't the life for person yet can't they say this one that one. God forbid. I have the beer. Ave de bière, et Rossi no via Adesagnon, et Cynthia au s'arrêtin, et on magbon. I want to belong, I want to be there. Ebe bunima only way, because he got way, she said she go the fair way to put head. Ebe bunima only way. But mo just let her be like that. Ebe bunima only way. Awa de ticket are in Nigeria. Me awa beti me wa ya pardon mo. Hello. Umale lo se were pa ma winani ai wini magi mami o boya zobe. Awa de another bia damo. Beti mi ma wo wa waiting. Awa enjoy. Nigeria no. I feel ba video. I will share ma. Anyway, that one aside, it was when okulo. All this thing why they talk. So if her mama see my video, her mother go know what I they talk about. If her sister where they all see this video, she go know what I they talk about. Even DJ Jeff go know what I they talk about. Although only DJ Jeff only they okay very old. But again, what to do? Because of 40,000 naira. Because of 40,000 naira. Erosi now arrested with 2010. 2010. Erosi now arrested in Nigeria. Just because of, it not even reach 40,000 safe. Better we talking and pay 40,000. Emi no heke na wata wuwa. Una ya ye police mo. Owi ye mana we very onirio ya ri yego. As at that time, on a make sure he deal with it. When he we on a do big family fight. Ijo igarule ebo ya na iga release release. Erosi o magbon. Erosi o magbon. Rose not the no person when it comes to money, but she go want collect from you. She is a collector, but she will never give you. Or here time I where you go out with friendship in another borrow, but we are at it to borrow. We are at it to me. Collector. When they believe people, when they see for social media say all this now, wa believe in ya, wa nadi, wa kati, why are dinya ya demo office say Mona go because of them go they run a task scatter say I must make I must belong. Who really get her not they make maths? Who get her not they talk too much? Akonoriemi uwe gboji. Akonoriemi uwe gboji. No, I tell her Mona carry popcorn. She said she be task collector. Some people are like that too. Anyway, she said she be tax collector. I will play. Also, I heard they look many of them. I heard they look they talk. Sophie Coman, Eketi, Wahaman or €1,000 when she come party for Belgium about 3 years ago. 3 years ago or so, she come party for this country. I happens to be in that party. He died. In a while you go, one woman. Madame Eki, that woman na Belgium yesterday. She know. Now that one come they beg me. Say la wo walk by my yahina. See I wiku. See I lao. In now you go meme. You boom ya dear woman. Or you go meme. Only got la house CIA, I beg people come to see her. Now that madam, una see the way they call people name inside my video since. Not be say I just come and say, well, hey, Rosso, Mona, come here. These are many day where I throw away, many day where I not even remember. Imana ve to tap bebana. Ya ma ve do way ive jonare. No bu. Sister Eki. Or they are well of a matana. Ona yoni ne iga imi ame la ohe. Rosi wawe winyas nya wene ya call you. Ya call you ma yeti. 1,000 euro ni tukunya ha imajanue wa pay. Abi vie menu dovio. Fine. Uvio gumeo uwo mari ke o mari mi owe I don't know, but for me if you wait to do level. Because why agia me vie very if you no ya we party. If you no ya thank God e God di menu teja oji ni munwe. Ije won ni me wo bi me e da de God di we na mune. Mute when you moon when kaya we first marching out. What all were fitted the gun wajo the first dressing wa yaladian. Ni moon because that time you knew better good. I better good 4,000 plus. Eya de go di ni we not when you moon. Ije monzere gbe mebe ni USA se. Wa go mi ala voice mi owi yen ki e ba ke ni e ki e ji yan change. Yen mari mi o ere ije monzere gbe mama say don't try am. My mama say wa unai uwa da de go dinu da wa de we mailu we not do we mailu e wa wa da mu no wa no ya we bed na o mu me na o we o wi me o e ma ke no na mi ave se no una o via viene in as much say the bidders una no bid that time if you grand vereni all those Korea bids all these Italy man ya divie vereni in my travel ya deliver Italy London bids London bid, Italian bid. Ma delivery. You the year bid 700 for roll. Long one. 800 euros for long one. Ara deloy. Meno mi ara de mini dorozo. Ara doy. Aro webo. Igoro. You pay us rent. You ke agba. You win every month. Your salary they show. You know they pay us rent. You do a boma ass. You know they do anything. Where you go? With the bad things. Ma de mi vereni. London bid like this 700, 800. That you go your why not they happen? You go raw. Also, no not damage me so we go rob a go we and my maro. And my gire in any you go. But thank God all those things are still there. I bet more play MC Papilo they go. Now no Noros go they say hey.
An organized person. What do you use as the one party to make party go say? Now that kind of party this one be. You know people they come almost the same thing. Then they will get money.
Oh. He say love me I join say Kate long. Okay, say I not see her brother and her mama for the birthday. I say na so quarrel that neither they quarrel and arrows they cause trouble. So quarrel settle quarrel. It also down way. To the essence, our sister way they all that one now Ibo man that one born for. That one I really born really have caste children. That one really born have caste children. Very fine lady. My rose sister they all there. To the essence, yeah, that one still get issue. Oh, wa lelinya ya the family wa lelinya gwi. Man no zigo na buki agbawe or you na or anything. Man no zigo na the family wa teme no bia na hin o or teme no ho na hin o or ukia igbari go gijoma na mama carry her con Europe. Ijo mo ya there webo. So erosi mamere. So not use rose compare una we una build 4 flats, build 2 flats, build house for na mama. Carry on mama con Europe. They pay on our brothers and sisters school fees for Nigeria. Why you buwa compare rose? One man say Rossi. One man say Rossi because who want mama be as not here. Imagine you they pay your sister children school fees. You they pay your brother children school fees. Who will ye give you everywhere? Who will do solve a problem? We can do we make buwe who can do une more. You know money must finish now. Imagine say you not get anybody like that now, just yourself. Where the aje party in the Rossi, jo? Who will say they okay more than herself? Ye ma they okay any na? Because okay agba ye mama not tie where ye me error. Because ye can't be guari no mama we. e ka gwari no ma ye meri me no so ki bloody no o mi no kun mo o ya wo se o mi no kin bata o ya wo se immediately she don't know say you get one tangible thing wey she dey do or why ya we automatic friendship in your way gwalo we dey na through Facebook he go search for you, he go send you mess or what go on it because you go why your way research even way phone or why search even way phone she fit from here travel go Denmark or ya to say no what that me new cash or ya to say and win na you no get what better authority wey yin win na why is there gbegbe do authority na saying they work o na lie error because of her sickness. Eti total for long, eti stand for long. I know waiting. I know just one go far. She can't sit for long. She can't stand for long. So she's kind of handicapped for Holland system, kind of. Oh, what receive you go to Niya pay uke agba. Oh, wa me no hibata ya wose. Oh, me no hin boy ya wose. Oh, me no hina ya wose. When I call away mama, or one a lace of man was joy, what like a or when you're here now, when I hear it, here ya could be you're walking. Your tell us anything, go your call down away, they said the list. You go say, me don't go any very, do they listen even €100, better here, not the here of 300. We're not we're making a less day. All your own say now she's selling for you. All the here of 300. Or you again or ever, all the rigo man, no good, my sorry, Gioni. Eros. Tell me what I don't know about her. Tell me. Vije tell me ma vega nigeti ma agba ma na ore which kind mother be this again. DJ no na vehi nai. Angelegele ma yari gba ene uko. Pakara.
So, if that whole fool, if you see that whole, that's the biggest one where I can go for the past 10 years. The whole fool. That's what I'm saying. It's going to organize everybody to sit down, drink comfortably. So before I come off for house, I can't call this woman and say, Mama, if any party where I go, people will always demand for my son. Papi will play your song, Papi will play your song, Papi will play your song. All those my song where I sing for party. I don't know if I can let you sing. Now people will call the body music, Papi who wants to sing, I will be too like a sing your song. Now people sing that song. Every most party where I go. People will demand for that song. I thought I said, Mama, if people demand for the song, I will play more. She got say, okay, he get one big daughter. Now let that one, she said she give me her name, say, as guest artist need to sing. Because she going to this party, now nobody, if you can't day, I feel sing, I also give problem no day. So I got body tell me, they say, DJ, I don't talk to the owner of the party, you say, if can't day, if people demand for the song, no problem, say I feel singer. I so they go the party, we should say, everybody needs to be my nickname. So I know the party, Joe, DJ on my neck, that the musician on my neck, that is on my neck. The woman herself, Adesagnon, on my neck. Hey, that people see that on my face. Say, if I'm not a professional MC.
My people, na MC Papilo na they complain. So na yesterday MC do the video. MC Papilo do this video yesterday. They complain say Rose not gree pay him the balance of €100. To the extent, Eros siga lelinya yagbina. Oga lelinya yagbina. May I just use my mouth summarize and make this video not come to take. Rose can't they follow the fight. Rose can't even tell her also make call police for them. Now waiting MC Papilo use the mouth talk where they circulate, they go for social media since. Rose Adesagnon get aggression problem. She is so arrogant. Rose Adesagnon, they very arrogant to the extent she not they respect anybody. She feel they laugh if camera don't face her. You they lie. Ba normal samos your ma never o mane. But when inya take kebore rene, but ebo lorena just a dubious character. A dubious character. All of us and on a mighty stay. You need know what they 2 minutes in nojo. No way a dark in nojo with 2 minutes. Or man stay. Imagine the people away from Europe buy ticket go say Roswamare. Any wasted time here. Inya o no. When a lot is going on within her, but day not do time one day. I mean no a boy dinner. Who don't know where Rose why you can't do better? You be married that day where your husband I ain't no Oni me yate ni na me Africa people. Ahi no we ne no do no mare maviri. Ne no daf, ne no oviye no hu. O bia no bien na le mudia zeve oke. On your paga da do money lele be walu enwe. Then you know when your mama they do something. That Oyibo man go they carry the daughter follow now. Now through the pikin where the Oyibo man they carry, now they say, okay, now that man the girl born her for. Okay, inyaga sile ne no mama lele beta tata me ne igati. Oh, biya no mwe kono biya ebo. Unyi me ni je go we vio yo hani hiene. Owe vio yo hani hiene. At least now that Oyibo man goes carry the baby, you know anything. Amami nene. If yes, if Oyibo ya well, man, whether na Jewish Oyibo or Orlando Oyibo, no, not be Orlando, Jewish Oyibo, no more kone, no get. No more kone, amami eva. Imagine orama beno. Iho social media ya mwene ni ayate yukabe. But have the people noje the party ni winya i presenter. Inye beroni ni wabuana line obungbe wo unero online. Ni beroni betoge re ni adoata. Very arrogant person. Wait upon all the dollar where they spray you away full grant. U marry bedan nu zero nu kante nu riene papilo. Una do ale lo yere gbina because of just €100. And they say you too gallant. They say you too much. They say you too get money, or according to them way they say they don't know you. Not be me way know you. Not be me way know you. Umari mieri ne ma we ne MC Papilo we. The hype man way can't do hyping for you. You follow that one fight. MC Papilo, you follow and fight. The woman will be saying why help you, may help you pick money, whether that one it be see the way where the occasion take they say, ni ever the job on una your boss why never magio ni negate seeing everybody just they complain you. Everybody just they complain the party we do. Some people they say, yeah, not reach grand, the party too much. Oh man, ija. America me man no way party there. Her party big rich, the one way waiting that they call her Priscilla do for Nigeria. I be one big rich, the one way Ajebo do so. When me Ajebo hide na yin do awere Ajebo ma pay ni hype man. Eri o ma pay no eri o ma pay ya we mi akimita ya zere wa gwigi so ni eje mana. Emi akimita ya zere. Wa mi ego ni dollar dia. Yon pa we party nana mi ego o na ihin meme. No na igale level ya gbin na tagress. Ona ihin o meme no hin ga gie wo no ri party o ge. Yon bawe party, yon jari. Awae, orin ti attend to the crowd, wae. And to everybody where you go now, try, no easy. They're gonna those days, me na do ekini me wa von because at the end of the day, now you lose. At the end of the day, now your bank account minus. Now your bank account minus. Right now, what we just did now bid that money expensive past tailor money. And then when you will bidding you more. Even yaran sere tailor. Bid that fi collect 150,000, 300,000, 400,000. Bid that just to bid your list. Why tailor go collect just 50,000? Imagine that one plus money where you take buy ashwebi. Plus money where you take buy food take go. Plus money where you can't take spray. Plus the time where you know take sleep. Everything now you go minus. So people where they talk say you not go party, the party they pay now. Who was war because wamae come here there. Mana emani we party. Now we they all do meeting. I was in 3 big meeting. Other meeting ni concon meeting na emo 3 solid one. Ake mana arie Denmark ya do meeting. Ake mana arie Antwerp ya do meeting. Ake mana arie Hollanda do meeting. 3 big meeting. And when a member away marriage in Nigeria, they not they go for you. You must buy ticket. Ever you have to in Nigeria. Now we do that meeting. So you come they tell people like me now. Say party they pay me. Mana do a meeting. Meeting mababa wona they do now. If member want do anything for Nigeria, say mama die, papa die. Ever you have the ticket wa Tori. Wa that for me chama tama with the constitution. A Tori. And that balokan You don't see. So they mean what the time I'm a bad party. Other way they paint cakes because it not go. What may me could there? What may a party there? What may la dia there? Mana mani do a meeting a webu. I beg you, more rest. So guys, that was it. Oh, uno vena se vea Jerosi. Eros Adesagnon. No guire do bue de social media. Imag buena salo babalo kumbege enia. Imare do bue. Ido na nene bue hererunda. Ema buno wa ogo boma hinya ma ego zuo. Nyuzua. O saetin Cynthia saetin no be Adesagnon. Imare do bue o. Irodo ta magmo we na giega eni onunu ania. Because a lot of people feel they all the oya me do ta mi ani ere nyunu are ruje. Eruje ni are nyunu agbe na ga mi emi onyunu anagbon. Unyi me we no unyi mi atosi. Ume arrogant ni oro wo we sagin. E fi were egoist spirit ni mokpa gai oro we sagin. Ajuhun ya so oro we sagin gwa ajuhun abo se ya so. Why your scenario, ujuhun ya so. We when we do stay aside. Udu akodo ni tie why metita lo why la ya we mi eni bunni wo boteme wa baba yi uri egbu eyin why you abo se ya so ne ujuhun emiti so ne we ri egbu wele you are like that. Gwa ajuhun ebo ya knack. Gwa underground. A lot of things ogu wo winye kevi tun api ga aro wo tun ere e Jeff e DJ Jeff kevere ro ototo laya zareya oni yelele we odo oni lu enwa no boy sha o tun api dey use sense we which is okay ahi atu ohun ma ahi no e wo waje e tun api o biere ko yare o e ko lele we woru we ya dan betu me dan wa we ne ya jo mayela la we yari iwe nu we meni ejeru we ko ya se ayela la igbon ayela la ijebu ayela la eketi ru dan we na mewe ni ya be hon cause e ki we ologbe na ayela la agbe o agbon abola we gbe e ma o wa ma gbon ya mere wo bi hin ozo we no je ma ya tegbe when ojige ma ya enriche gbo ige ma ya fe wera sero mero wawa ari oko e ma ga kiti ibi ejemi ga mu enya hu gada ri party be jemi iye ga no enye ga mu yo mu ere da iye gebi ya ri ohu enia wetin you cut and there wa fin agboa ibi ejemi bire nia wa fin agboa wetin you cut there nothing. Me 10 euro when ya jaju fun nu afile ni ya amai mi mo de hai emi amoja ewe mi ye wa salu bia merenjo wa we gbe oko we ni ya jaju fun nu afilu me 10 euro ni ya e gbe ni ya spread nu e kwari e ni ya nu we wa total nu mu no ma we gunega shobi you not even know to the look people face anybody wey wear the ashwebi you give am. Anybody wey wear the lace and the eta, you give am. Anybody wey wear lace eta, you give. Ere ya ga show bi o ma no go we do mo. And then ya joy. Joy. So any logo na do ara. O ma no ma joy we. Ibite say bet ma joy re wo mi e une gbo mu we. Ya ri enu e. U tota wa abere wa ga camera ma abere ya we no do ara ya the television later. Eri o heke bet una gbe ya kara because wo nu ya kyan. People they say not gain the party. I pray may not gain now. He over gain now. And normally I tell you we party not gain itself. Betting he over gain okay, which is good. I let una lose it away me bet. Okay was too much. It was too much. Nuri oko agbon. We waru swene na we modion ni atie bona. Uwe o wa modion o wa o hiro Adesagnon. Oh, io ne atie we Rosi because Rosi ne adeso devi pe bon gunare. E Cynthia Osaetin Adesagnon. Uwe wa o ma gbon. when a boy presenter Hamia, Ketty Waro, and Wagumedo Sagai, Oguma Beni, Ogukegbuwe. Any presenter, you be man, you be woman, they born you where. Call your camera, say because AK talk to Adesagnon, they can't reply me. Te ravi jouer gugouao. If a boy don't let ravi jouer gbero pome. Ogun do mio boy agbera gbijouer wo pome. E digu nebere do mio boy agbera gbijouer. Ya se gbo monu biye. Rue camera all the way because he thought to us I'm coming to talk to you. If a boy man lawe gbe. Why do you ho wagbon wa mi no ma wa ta wa mi dan wa onu wa ta. Wa biyan ya di agbon ya ri ya luana. Agbon ya ri ya luana. Abi ho no e ko wo yan han no de okay. Iyan oge eni de okay se yan. Whereas wa de okay se man wa re ni. You be man, you be woman, you be presenter. All your camera me you say me you can't reply me say because I talk to Rose. Te ravi jouer gugon do tama me. Te monu biele gugon do tama me. Ba boy la wa gbe wa gbon. Un error online wo. I want more job, I will be set of people. Yori me, my people. What I say there? Anytime say a lot of things do, but more live on at the party issue we want. Now because of the party, now we want I should take carry my bead. Thief my beat because of party. I should take, overdo things. I should take fight people. I should take insult people when it come. A lot of things. Now I just talk for you. But the other ones so not really they necessary. Where they say I know it's not necessary. It's okay. Or say what say I need but any yago way in a cockroach be cupboard. Me no la the other way. Keto I do tire me. Error, I'm so happy about it. Imagine say I get any cockroach just now. Fear not let me on camera can't talk. I'll say, hey, man, not can't talk to them, I not can't talk my own. No, I know the fear of me, I not can't talk to them, I go come. Error, or I'm more about me. A book banya in ye mwetinya. Inya if ye kick, banya is o bono, koi ragmona, already up the mubokuta. Erosi. E Cynthia outside no be Adesagnon. Uwa wenu Tori yomo emi no masu nu dame. Udo wenu la dian we because we ya wa ta no gbe egbe. E boni nu we jaji ni nu gani ave eye lala nenemi e ya nu deba society ya nu jeni. Deba o salobwa ni ga deba eni kao. Iye igu e demu gbokuta ve denu bia wo hwero wa because I zeba me zeba ma. Izeba mani aya zebawe imeshori irie inwo na ya mere titore yo won imeshori file so kwa so gala dia do zo yo megbe emi nero megbe we nu va megbe ri eyo eni ka ohia afi we gboto ugari yo yore emi ya fefe nu ri oboye ya idua maka me mi pa nu ri obojo emi ero jo boji e ya idua gbo emi aneni nu hu mi ni nu mi nu hu eni o de gbe si toa Ode gbe si to ayo egbe ri oko wa gbon emi ere no vien yo wa o no gbo wa gbon ni ogo me ore manige me. So thank you guys, let me leave you for now. Okay, I mean no harm. I just come to tell MC Papilo say I teje ku baba o amani eri der yo wa agaribe mie ge yo rina nu ga so gbe o vije nu ye we ko o ni vero si o de arrogant say o de arrogant they arrogant. Don't say this one is not serious. AJ, I too like where this suburb. I too like to be happy, no time to waste time. Bad rhythms to what they tell they talk on. You go as a bonnet bad to them. Odeni lane. Iye no iye the person. Omana igare life me. Dame because iye no. Iyo mani. Eta never will be lie on my berry. Na happiness na me baba people come up for your life. So they know that God forbid. If you cannot measure how na say can ajo gbera no do that gbe onu return. God forbid. When me say come your gbe mongo park. You do ya say come make a friendship again. God forbid. If you are person quarrel some kind quarrel, why is settle? A life in Nana, why na rien be. If you finish or your mind not finish or that one, have a nerosije. Oh, rigo me moke sun. Woman na ha monobia ma ha joga must to ha nevi me. Na so it go be that 1,000 euro to ba. Imagine na ja no ma for my gbe. Oh, ba waga love e wa ni mo sa ha lele wa do ago me kamene because emi me e fu egbe. Wa bere no respain no biro. Igo rero ni ve mu me pa. Mere no ni. Oni awa ha eze. Oh hai. Nettoyant. It's why I can't they go before the wishes in me go come out. All right. Don't say this one. Now I gotta go before the wishes in me go. Wa me down. Umiowe wa miowe. Mina wa mina wete. Mina imejeve no igajie. Una umemi. Ulo ife. Because he warmer, he taller, he former. That is why they try to keep out from shades. I don't want. But to aume ulo ife. I mean, but if you tell me, I'll quit apologize. But they try to be very, very careful. Man, not step on people's toes. Some people they feel say, oh, how more, or say, I don't know one, and I go and no. I know a lot of things that make me to say, I have a boy, I know living here. I know want me all of them come they fail me, they come they deviate from me, they come they run from me because of some kind of certain things. Normal man, and I call, come go try to reconcile with my jujus. Even that men do always live with them after them also. Thank you, mommy. So God bless you all. I will catch you on my next video. Thank you for sharing this video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for understanding. And with all my heart, I tell you guys, everything I've said here today is the truth, nothing but the truth. I even throw away many. I throw away a lot. Believe it or you forget about it.